Alvarez starting up front once again. He just has one goal in this tournament.
And make no mistake, this is the biggest game. And
the Powell clipped in towards Alvarez. Well, the hunger of Tagliafico there was impressive for Argentina on a heavily watered pitch. The game's begun well for the neutral, hasn't it? Really good watch so far at MetLife Stadium. We'll have the World Cup final here in 2 years.
নিজের ভাঙ্গা ঢোল পিটা উঠান রাখা